program is rated SPG. It contains scenes with themes, language, violence, sex, horror, or drugs, which may not be suitable for children. Strong parental guidance is advised.
Sir, what do you want? My name is Lincoln G. I am a convict. I have spent 19 years in the garden. 4 days ago, I was set free. And in those 4 days, I have walked from Tulun. Today, I walked 12 days. When I reached this town tonight, I went to an inn, and they would not take me in because of my yellow passport. This is my yellow passport, which I had to show at the mayor's office. I went to an inn and they will not take me in because of my yellow passport. This is my yellow passport, which I had to show at the mayor's office. Then I went to the prison and the jailer would not let me in. I crept into a field to sleep beneath the stars, but there were no stars, and I thought it would come rain. So I came back to the town to find shelter in some doorway. There in the square, I lay down upon the stone. A big man showed me in your house. So can I say, sir? Put another one. Yung isa, hindi mo na kung me. I am a Catholic. Convict. I have just left the galley. Here is what they put in my yellow passport. Madam Maglo, put some sheets in the bed, in the alcove.
Sure. Sit down and warm yourself. We are going to take supper presently, and your bed will be ready before we supper.
True, you will keep me a convict. You don't say, get up, dog, like everyone said. I shall have supper. I will have a bed, and later some shit. Why it is 19 years since I slept in a bed? You're waiting for me to pay. I have money. I will pay. I beg your pardon. Monsieur, innkeeper, please. Your name, Monsieur. I'm a priest to live here. A priest? Oh, a noble priest. Do not ask any money. No, give your money. No, give your money. This is not my house. It is the house of Christ. It does not ask any common. What he is, but whether he has an affliction, you are suffering, you are cold and hungry, be welcome. And do not thank me or tell me that I have taken you into my house, which is home of no man except him who needs a refuge. Who are a traveler, are more at home here than I. Whatever is, this is yours. self-mature and pure. I was cold and hungry when I submitted bro. But you are so kind that now I don't know what I am. All God is that God.
You have seen so much suffering.
Yes, the ball and the chain, the plank to sleep on, the heat, the cold, the lash, the double chain for nothing, the dungeon for a word, even when sick, the chain, the dogs are happier. 19 years and I am 46 and have a yellow passport and that is all.
Yes, you have left a place of great suffering. But listen, there will be more joy in heaven than over the tears of one. Repentant sinner than over the salvation of 100 good men. If you live that life of compassion, if you live it with goodwill and gentleness, you are better than any of us.
Excellency, know where the basket of silver is.
Yes?
Yes, I did not know what become of it.
Hey, it is.
But there's nothing in it. Where is the silver?
Ah, it is the silver then that troubled you? I don't know where that is.
Good heavens, it is stolen. That man who came last night must have taken it.
Now, first, did the silver belong to us? Madam Magloire, for a long time I have wrongly withheld the silver. It belonged to the poor who was that man, a poor man, evident.
Come in!
Ah, there you are. I am glad to see you back. I give you the candlestick, also which are the silver like the rest, and would bring another 200 francs. Why did you not take this along with you?
Monsignor, then what this man said was true. He was saying like man who was running away. And they arrested him in order to flee. In his knapsack, he had this silver.
And he told you that it had been given him by a good priest, with whom he had passed the night. I see it all, and you brought him back here. That was a mistake.
That's so, we can let him go.
Certainly,
It is true that they have let me go. Yes, you can go, don't you understand?
my friend, before you leave, here are the candlesticks. Take them. Now go in peace and find a friend. When you come again, you need to come through the garden. You can always come in and go out by the front door, for it's closed only with the lunch day or night.
Forget not, never forget that you have promised me to use this silver to become an honest man.
Jean Valjean, my friend, you belong no longer to evil, but to good. It is your soul that I am buying for you. I withdraw it from the dark thoughts and from the spirit and perdition and give it to God.
I have spent 19 years in the galley. 4 days ago. And in those 4 days, I went to the prison and the jailer would not let me in. I crept into a field to sleep beneath the stars. Pwede ba manin? Teka lang, may cellphone si magkulang eh.
Sino si Regario?
Okay na.